We often forget that our home starts from the ground up, and as the largest, most used feature of any home, your floors require an abundance of care. Today, Penntek Industrial Coatings will be installing all new patio and garage flooring and will be finalized and ready to go by the time homeowners Abe and Vanessa come home from work. The clock starts right now.
We're here at Abe and Vanessa's house working on their back patio and pool deck today. And so as you can see behind us, we have the Penntek Industrial crew grinding off the surface. With concrete, over time, it's going to start deteriorating and previous coatings fail. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come in with our diamond grinders, grind off the existing surface, profile the concrete to make it so it's a nice smooth system.
So one of our top priorities at Penntek is to really help our customers take ugly, gray, cracked, oily, dirty concrete and make it beautiful. We want it to be slip resistant. We want it to be beautiful with the colors that they want, all different colors and styles. We want it to be easy to clean. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial, so you can usually spray and wipe it, Swiffer it, pressure wash it out if you want. And the thing that our customers love is it can all be done in one day. So our crew shows up in the morning, and usually by the time the customer gets home from work, their garage or their space, the concrete area they have is beautiful. And typically they can walk on it that evening and drive on it in as little as 24 hours, all backed by our Penntek manufacturer's warranty.
So today at Abe and Vanessa's, we're going to be giving them the Penntek Coatings Evolution Full Chip System in just one day. So when they come home, they're not going to see their failing coating. They're going to see a new, bright, shiny, finished project that is going to be easy to clean and is going to last the lifetime.
The crew has officially started to install the coating on the back patio and lay down a fresh coat.
Once we've already profiled the concrete, we need to fill in all the low spots. We use Penntek Industrial Coatings CR Mender. So what I'm going to do is just pour it down. And since it's such a user-friendly product, I'm simply just going to squeegee it around. So it actually, when it cures, it's actually stronger than the concrete. And then we're going to come back and we're going to regrind the surface to make it smooth before we start the next step. Once we've figured out that the CR Mender has reached full cure, is we're going to take our concrete diamond grinders and grind off the very top of the mender to make sure that the patio is 100% perfectly smooth. One of the most important things when we look at a patio or a garage floor is we want it as smooth as possible before we start our Evolution chip system. Once we've ground the CR Mender, you can see that the floor is going to be back to smooth. All of our low spots, our cracks, and anywhere that the mender was is back to smooth. So our very next step is going to be to put down the pure polyurea, the PB200 base coat, and to do a full broadcast of the Evolution chips. Abe and Vanessa have chosen the color pecan, which is going to have a little bit of rust in it, so it's going to blend in very well with their brick surrounding. Now that we've done the base coat and the full broadcast on the pool deck, we're going to be moving to the garage floor. The very next step on the garage floor is going to be utilizing our diamond grinders to prepare the surface. Once the diamond grinding process has been completed, our very next step is to do any type of verticals, stairs, or detailed areas with the Evolution system. Once the floor is ready for the base coat, we will utilize an 18-inch roller and roll out at a nice, even, consistent, opaque color. Once we are done, the finished product will have an orange peel finish with an anti-skid additive based on the homeowner's needs. We're back at the completed pool deck for Abe and Vanessa. Before, they had old, stamped, slippery concrete that wasn't beautiful to the eye and actually was a slip hazard when they get out of the pool. Now that this completed project is done and ready for Abe and Vanessa's barbecue tonight, let's go to the garage and see how that turned out. Now we're here at the completed garage floor project. With Abe being very hands-on with woodworking and automobile maintenance, he won't have a problem bringing in his cars or working on any wood and damaging the floor. Another huge advantage of the Penntek Evolution system is the multicolored dimensions that we were able to create within one floor. Abe and Vanessa decided that they wanted a two-tone diamond that matched the exterior of their house and also had a complementary color in the middle. We utilized sandstone as the color in the middle and driftwood to match their exterior of their house on the exterior part of the garage floor, also completing their verticals. Now it's time for Abe and Vanessa to roll their wheels in and enjoy their new garage floor.
Okay, so we just got Abe and Vanessa home for the big reveal. They absolutely fell in love with their garage floor right away. They could not believe what we were able to accomplish in such a small period of time. They really loved the color that they chose, the design that we put in it. They couldn't be more thrilled, so that was amazing. They absolutely loved the pool deck as well. That was really beautiful. It's got the non-slip that they wanted, the colors that they wanted, the way the sun plays off of it. They're really excited to start to use their product and have their party and really start to show off their new garage floor and their new pool decks. So once again, another successful project. Our goal at Penntek Industrial Coatings is to take ugly, gray, cracked, oily concrete and make it beautiful. We feel like in some ways we're concrete artists. We really transform the space. The customer is blown away by the project. That's our main goal, and not inconveniencing them and being able to get it done in such a quick period of time. They just absolutely loved it, and we loved it. They're really thrilled, and at the end of the day, that's what makes us happy as well.